Hello everyone! In this video, we will guide you on how to install Llama 3. So, let's dive right in. So visit llama.meta.com/llama3. The link is provided in the description. Once you're on the website, click on the Download Models button at the top right corner. On the next page, you will need to fill out the form. This form includes first name, last name, date of birth, and email address. Then, choose the Meta Llama 3 from the models. Make sure you have entered your organization name. Then, click on the Continue button. On the next page, read the terms and conditions. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and check the box of Accepting Terms and Conditions. Finally, click on the Accept and Continue button. Now here, simply click the provided link of the model to run the repository in the GitHub. In GitHub, when a script requires a unique custom URL, copy and paste this provided link to run the repository. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to install Llama 3. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.